The hum of unseen machinery, the faint scent of ink and paper, and a silence that speaks volumes about the immense responsibility held within these walls. For most, money is simply a tool, a means to an end, a familiar object passed from hand to hand without a second thought. But what if I told you that behind every euro in your pocket lies a saga of precision, security, and an almost alchemical transformation? What if you could step beyond the velvet ropes, past the armed guards, and into the very heart of a fortress where the economic pulse of an entire continent is meticulously crafted? Imagine a place where art meets engineering, where ancient craft converges with cutting-edge technology, all dedicated to producing something so ubiquitous, yet so profoundly complex. This isn't just a factory, it's a vault of secrets, a crucible where raw materials are forged into the very symbol of trust and value. We are about to embark on a journey into a world few ever see, a realm where every sheet, every print, every intricate detail is a testament to human ingenuity and an unyielding commitment to security. This is the hidden world behind everyday products, a realm of industrial mystery where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. We will uncover the untold stories, the meticulous processes, and the astonishing innovations that ensure the integrity of one of the world's most powerful currencies. Prepare to witness the birth of the euro, from its humble beginnings as a blank canvas to its final, secure form, ready to circulate across nations. This is an exclusive invitation to peer behind the curtain, to understand the true weight and wonder of the currency that underpins the lives of millions. The euro, a symbol of European unity and economic power, is far more than just paper and ink. Its journey from concept to currency is riddled with fascinating details, a testament to centuries of banknote evolution and modern-day innovation. Did you know that the very first paper money originated in China during the Tang dynasty, around the 7th century? It was initially a form of promissory note, a receipt for deposited goods, long before it became a direct medium of exchange. Fast forward to Europe, and the first official banknotes appeared in Sweden in the mid-17th century, issued by the Stockholm Banco. These early notes were often large and cumbersome, a far cry from the sleek, secure euros we use today. The transition from metal coins to paper money was revolutionary, enabling easier trade and larger transactions, but it also introduced the persistent challenge of counterfeiting, a battle that continues to drive innovation in currency production to this day. The historical progression from commodity money to representative money, and finally to fiat money, highlights a continuous evolution of trust and technological sophistication in financial systems. One of the most mind-blowing aspects of modern currency is the sheer number of security features embedded within each note. It's not just about looking pretty, it's about making counterfeiting virtually impossible for all but the most sophisticated operations. Take the euro, for instance. A single banknote can incorporate dozens of distinct security elements, some visible to the naked eye, others requiring special equipment to detect. From watermarks and security threads to holograms, microprinting, and color-shifting inks, each feature is a layer of defense. The tactile feel of a euro note, its crispness and unique texture, is itself a security feature, a result of the special cotton fiber paper used. This isn't just any paper, it's a bespoke substrate designed specifically for currency, giving it a distinct snap and resilience that ordinary paper lacks. This unique paper is not just durable, it's engineered to absorb specific inks in a way that conventional paper cannot, further complicating any attempts at illicit reproduction. The combination of these features creates a multi-layered defense system, often referred to as security by depth, where each layer reinforces the others, making a complete and convincing forgery exponentially more difficult. Consider the design itself. The euro banknotes depict architectural styles from various European periods, but intentionally avoid specific existing monuments. This decision was made to prevent any single nation from feeling disproportionately represented, fostering a sense of pan-European identity. The bridges on the reverse side, for example, are generic representations of different architectural eras, symbolizing communication and connection between the peoples of Europe and the rest of the world. This abstract approach to design is a subtle yet powerful statement about unity and shared heritage. The windows and gateways on the obverse symbolize openness and cooperation. Even the fonts used are carefully selected for legibility and to integrate seamlessly with the overall aesthetic, while also being difficult to perfectly replicate. The intricate patterns and fine lines are not merely decorative. They are designed to be extremely difficult to reproduce with standard printing equipment, serving as an additional, subtle security feature that even the untrained eye can often sense as wrong in a fake. The lifespan of a banknote is another intriguing curiosity. While coins can last for decades, paper banknotes have a much shorter circulation life, varying significantly depending on their denomination and how frequently they're used. Lower denominations, like the €5 note, are handled more often and thus wear out faster, sometimes lasting only a year or two. Higher denominations, such as the €50 or €100 notes, are exchanged less frequently and can remain in circulation for several years. This constant wear and tear necessitate a continuous production cycle, with central banks regularly withdrawing old, damaged notes and replacing them with fresh ones. It's a relentless, unseen battle against entropy, ensuring the quality and integrity of the circulating currency. The average lifespan of a €5 note is estimated to be around 13 months, while a €50 note can last up to 4 years. This constant turnover means that billions of banknotes are produced, sorted, and destroyed annually across the Eurosystem. The process of removing unfit notes is crucial not only for maintaining the physical quality of the currency, but also for preventing the circulation of potentially compromised or damaged notes that could undermine public trust. The process of designing new security features is a continuous arms race against counterfeiters. As technology advances, so do the methods of those attempting to replicate currency. This means that central banks and security printers are constantly researching and developing new, more sophisticated anti-counterfeiting measures. This innovation isn't just about adding more layers, it's about integrating features that are difficult to reproduce accurately without specialized equipment and knowledge. For example, the latest series of Euro banknotes, the Europa series, introduced enhanced security features like the portrait window in the hologram, which reveals a portrait of Europa when held against the light. This level of detail is incredibly challenging for counterfeiters to mimic convincingly. The development of these features involves a multidisciplinary team of chemists, physicists, engineers, and graphic designers, working in highly secure research facilities. These experts study not only printing technologies but also the latest trends in counterfeiting, often reverse engineering fake notes to understand their weaknesses and develop countermeasures. Historically, the value of currency was often tied to precious metals, like gold or silver. This gold standard provided a tangible backing for banknotes. Today, most currencies, including the euro, are fiat money, meaning their value is derived from government decree and public trust, rather than being backed by a physical commodity. This shift represents a profound evolution in economic thought and requires an even greater emphasis on the security and integrity of the physical notes themselves, as their value is entirely dependent on their perceived authenticity. The trust we place in a banknote is a collective agreement, a social contract that the issuing authority will stand behind its value. This transition to fiat currency underscores the critical role of robust anti-counterfeiting measures. Without them, the public's trust, and thus the currency's value, could rapidly erode. The psychological impact of a credible, secure currency cannot be overstated. It underpins all economic transactions and fosters stability. The sheer scale of euro production is staggering. Hundreds of millions, sometimes billions, of banknotes are printed annually across various high-security printing works within the Eurosystem. Each national central bank is responsible for procuring a share of the total euro banknote production, ensuring a distributed and resilient supply chain. This distributed production model adds another layer of security and efficiency, preventing any single point of failure and allowing for rapid response to demand fluctuations. It's a complex logistical dance, coordinated across multiple countries, all working to a common standard. The total value of euro banknotes in circulation currently exceeds 1.5 trillion euros, a testament to the immense volume of currency that must be constantly maintained and replenished. This massive production requires precise coordination between the European Central Bank, ECB, and the national central banks, NCBs, of the Eurozone, ensuring that supply meets demand while maintaining strict security protocols. Even the ink used in euro banknotes is a marvel of material science. It's not just ordinary ink. It's a highly specialized, proprietary blend with unique magnetic, fluorescent, and color-shifting properties. Some inks react to UV light, revealing hidden patterns, while others change color when viewed from different angles. These optically variable inks are incredibly difficult to replicate, requiring specific pigments and printing techniques that are closely guarded secrets. The very composition of the ink contributes significantly to the note's security, making it a crucial component in the fight against counterfeiting. Some inks contain microscopic magnetic particles that allow automated counting and authentication machines to verify the banknote's authenticity and denomination. Others are thermochromic, meaning they react to temperature changes, offering another quick verification method for the public. The development of these inks is a continuous process, with new formulations constantly being tested to stay ahead of counterfeiters. Consider the environmental impact and sustainability efforts in currency production. While banknotes are designed for durability, their eventual disposal is also a consideration. Many central banks now shred old banknotes, and some even explore recycling options for the cotton fibers. The production process itself is increasingly optimized for energy efficiency and reduced waste, reflecting a broader commitment to environmental responsibility, even in an industry traditionally focused on security and output. This modern approach balances the need for robust currency with a consciousness for the planet. For instance, some shredded banknotes are compressed into briquettes and used as fuel, while others are composted or even used in construction materials. The long-term goal is to achieve a fully circular economy for banknotes, minimizing waste and resource consumption at every stage of their life cycle. The meticulous quality control throughout the printing process is another unseen hero. Every single sheet of banknotes undergoes rigorous inspection, both by advanced automated systems and by highly trained human eyes. Even the slightest imperfection, a misprint, a smudge, or a deviation in color, can lead to a sheet being rejected. This uncompromising commitment to quality ensures that every euro note entering circulation meets the highest standards of security and aesthetic integrity. It's a relentless pursuit of perfection, where even a microscopic flaw can compromise the trust placed in the currency. These automated systems can inspect hundreds of sheets per minute, identifying defects with unparalleled precision, far beyond what human vision alone could achieve. The data collected from these inspections also feeds back into the production process, allowing for continuous improvement and optimization. The psychological aspect of currency design is also fascinating. The size and color of euro banknotes are carefully chosen to aid differentiation and accessibility, particularly for visually impaired individuals. The larger the denomination, the larger the note, and each denomination has a distinct dominant color. This systematic approach makes it easier to distinguish between notes by touch and sight, enhancing usability for everyone. It's a subtle yet significant design choice that underscores the inclusive nature of the currency. The tactile features, such as raised lines along the edges of certain denominations, further assist the visually impaired in identifying notes. This thoughtful design ensures that the currency is not only secure but also functional and accessible to all members of society. Finally, the journey of a banknote doesn't end when it leaves the factory. It circulates, changes hands countless times, and eventually returns to a central bank or cash center. Here, sophisticated machines sort, count, and authenticate the notes, identifying those that are worn out, damaged, or suspected of being counterfeit. Worn notes are shredded, and the cycle of production begins anew. It's a continuous, dynamic system, a testament to the enduring power and complexity of modern currency. The life of a euro note is a constant flow, a silent testament to the economic engine it helps to power. The average number of times a banknote changes hands before being withdrawn from circulation can be in the thousands, highlighting the incredible durability required of these seemingly simple pieces of paper. This constant monitoring and recycling ensure that the quality of cash in circulation remains high, reinforcing public confidence. Another fascinating detail is the role of the European Central Bank, ECB, in coordinating this entire process. While national central banks handle the actual printing, The ECB sets the standards, approves the designs, and oversees the overall production and circulation of euro banknotes. This centralized oversight ensures uniformity and consistency across all Eurozone countries, which is vital for a single currency. The ECB also plays a crucial role in anti-counterfeiting efforts, collaborating with law enforcement agencies like Europol to track and combat counterfeiting rings. This international cooperation is essential in an era where illicit operations can span multiple countries. The intricate network of collaboration, from design to destruction, is a testament to the complexity and importance of maintaining a secure currency. The historical evolution of security features is also a story in itself. Early banknotes relied on simple watermarks and intricate engravings. As printing technology advanced, so did counterfeiting methods, leading to the introduction of more complex features like security threads, holograms, and microprinting. Each new series of banknotes is a response to the evolving threat landscape, incorporating the latest advancements in materials science and printing technology. This constant innovation means that the euro banknotes you hold today are the culmination of centuries of experience and cutting-edge research, a living history of the battle against fraud. The transition from purely visual security features to those requiring specialized equipment, like UV lamps or magnetic readers, reflects the increasing sophistication of both genuine production and illicit counterfeiting. Even the numbering system on euro banknotes holds a subtle layer of information. Beyond the unique serial number, there's often a shortcode that indicates which printing works produced the note. This allows for precise tracking and quality control, ensuring accountability across the distributed production network. This level of detail, though invisible to most users, is critical for the integrity of the system. The choice of the first letter in the serial number, which identifies the national central bank that commissioned the printing, further reinforces the distributed yet unified nature of euro production. The sheer volume of raw materials required is also immense. Imagine the tons of specialized cotton fibers, the thousands of liters of unique inks, and the countless metal plates needed to produce billions of banknotes annually. The procurement and management of these materials are themselves a complex logistical challenge, requiring secure supply chains and rigorous quality checks to ensure that only approved, high-quality components are used in the production of currency. Every supplier, from the cotton producer to the ink manufacturer, must meet stringent security and quality standards set by the Eurosystem. Finally, the cultural significance of currency extends beyond its economic function. Banknotes are often seen as symbols of national identity and sovereignty. For the euro, the challenge was to create a currency that represented a collective European identity without favoring any single nation. The abstract designs of windows, gateways, and bridges successfully achieved this, creating a shared visual language that transcends national borders. This delicate balance between security, functionality, and cultural representation makes the euro banknote a truly remarkable artifact of modern society. Its universal acceptance across 20 countries is a testament to the success of this complex, multifaceted endeavor. The journey of a euro banknote begins long before the ink touches paper, deep within the realm of specialized raw materials. The foundation of every euro note is not wood pulp, like ordinary paper, but a unique blend of pure cotton fibers. These fibers, often sourced from textile industry byproducts, are chosen for their exceptional strength, durability, and distinct tactile feel. Unlike wood pulp, cotton fibers are longer and more resilient, allowing the banknote to withstand countless folds, tears, and the rigors of circulation. The selection of cotton is not arbitrary. It's a deliberate choice for its inherent properties that make it ideal for currency. Its strength, its ability to absorb and hold specialized inks, and its unique feel that helps distinguish genuine notes from fakes. This cotton is typically sourced from specific regions known for high-quality, long staple fibers, ensuring the consistency and integrity of the base material. Upon arrival at the high-security printing facility, these raw cotton fibers undergo a meticulous purification process. They are cleaned, bleached, and then pulped into a fine slurry. This slurry is then fed into specialized paper-making machines, where it is transformed into large sheets of banknote paper. During this critical stage, several key security features are integrated directly into the paper itself. The watermark, for instance, is created by varying the thickness of the paper during its formation, making it visible only when held up to the light. Similarly, the security thread, a thin strip often embedded with microprinting or holographic elements, is incorporated into the paper matrix as it is being formed. This ensures the thread is an integral part of the note, not merely glued on. The paper-making process itself is a highly guarded secret, involving specific formulations and techniques that contribute to the paper's unique characteristics, including its resistance to common chemical attacks used by counterfeiters. This paper is also designed to be non-fluorescent under UV light, unlike most commercial papers, which is another quick authentication check. Once the paper is formed and dried, it is cut into large sheets, often referred to as unprinted sheets. These sheets are then transported to the printing presses, which are housed in highly controlled, access-restricted environments. The printing process is a multi-stage, highly complex operation, often involving several different printing techniques to apply the various security features and designs. Each stage is performed in a separate, secure area, with strict controls over personnel and materials. The movement of these sheets between stages is often automated, using sophisticated conveyor systems that minimize human handling and potential for error or theft. The first stage typically involves offset printing. This technique is used to apply the intricate background designs and subtle color patterns that form the base of the banknote. Offset printing allows for extremely fine detail and precise color registration, creating the complex, multicolored images that are difficult for counterfeiters to reproduce accurately. Multiple layers of ink are applied, often using specialized inks that react to UV light or have magnetic properties. The plates used in offset printing are incredibly precise, ensuring that the minute details and color gradients are perfectly rendered, forming the foundation upon which other security features will be built. This process is highly automated, with computer-controlled presses ensuring consistent quality across millions of sheets. Following offset printing, the sheets move to the intaglio printing stage. This is perhaps the most distinctive and crucial printing technique for banknotes. Intaglio printing involves engraving the design onto a metal plate, which is then inked. The excess ink is wiped from the surface, leaving ink only in the engraved lines. When the paper is pressed against the plate under immense pressure, often several tons per square inch, the ink is transferred, creating a raised, tactile effect that is unique to genuine banknotes. This raised print, which you can feel on the main images, denominations, and signatures, is a key security feature and a hallmark of authentic currency. It's incredibly difficult to replicate without specialized equipment. The depth and sharpness of the intaglio print are critical for both security and the distinctive feel of the note. This process is slow and expensive, but indispensable for the unique tactile quality it imparts. After intaglio, further security features are added. This includes the application of holographic elements, such as patches or strips, which are applied using hot stamping techniques. These holograms contain complex optical features that shift color and reveal different images when tilted, providing another robust anti-counterfeiting measure. Microprinting, tiny text that is legible only under magnification, is also added, often integrated into the larger designs. These microtexts are so small that they often appear as a solid line to the naked eye, but under a magnifying glass, they reveal perfectly formed letters and numbers, a detail almost impossible for standard printers to reproduce. Another critical step involves the application of optically variable ink, OVI, or color shifting ink. This ink changes color dramatically when the banknote is tilted, a feature that is immediately recognizable and extremely difficult to copy. This is often used for the denomination number on the reverse side of euro notes. Some notes also feature iridescent stripes, which appear as a shimmering gold band when tilted, another visual security element. These specialized inks are applied using highly precise screen printing or gravure techniques, ensuring their perfect placement and functionality. Quality control is paramount at every single stage. Automated inspection systems, equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, scan every sheet for even the slightest imperfection, misregistration, or color deviation. These systems can detect flaws invisible to the human eye, ensuring that only perfect sheets proceed. Human inspectors also conduct random checks, adding an additional layer of scrutiny. Any sheet failing these rigorous checks is immediately removed and securely destroyed. This multi-layered inspection process, combining advanced robotics with human expertise, guarantees an almost zero-defect rate for notes entering circulation. The machines use a combination of visible light, UV light, and infrared light to check for all security features, including those not visible to the human eye. Once all printing and security features are applied, the large sheets, now bearing multiple individual banknote designs, are moved to the numbering stage. Each banknote receives a unique serial number, often printed with magnetic ink, which is crucial for tracking and authentication. This numbering is also a highly precise process, ensuring no two notes share the same identifier. The serial numbers are typically composed of a letter and 11 digits, with the letter indicating the national central bank responsible for issuing the note. This is done using a specialized numbering press that applies the unique sequence to each individual note on a sheet. Finally, the sheets are cut into individual banknotes using high-precision cutting machines. These machines are calibrated to tolerances of a fraction of a millimeter, ensuring uniform size and shape for every note. The cut banknotes then undergo a final sorting and bundling process. They are stacked, counted, and packaged into secure bundles, ready for distribution. These bundles are then sealed and prepared for transport, often in brick-like packages of 1,000 or 5,000 notes. Robotics are increasingly used in these final stages to handle the immense volume and ensure accuracy, minimizing human intervention with the finished product. Safety and security are woven into every aspect of the factory's operation. Access is severely restricted, with multiple layers of physical and electronic security. Surveillance is constant, and personnel undergo extensive background checks and training. The entire facility operates under strict protocols to prevent theft, tampering, or unauthorized access to the production process or the finished currency. Logistics for transporting the finished banknotes are equally stringent, involving armored vehicles, armed guards, and highly coordinated routes, ensuring the secure delivery of these valuable assets to central banks and cash centers across Europe. It is a symphony of precision, security, and technological prowess, all dedicated to the unwavering integrity of the euro. The waste generated during the printing process, including rejected sheets and trimmings, is also meticulously accounted for and securely destroyed, often by shredding and incineration, to prevent any materials from falling into the wrong hands. Every step, from the raw cotton bale to the final bundled notes, is a testament to an unparalleled commitment to security and precision. And so, we've journeyed deep into the heart of a secret world, a realm where cotton fibers transform into the very symbol of economic trust. From the invisible watermarks woven into the paper to the tactile intaglio print that you can feel with your fingertips, every euro note is a masterpiece of engineering and a fortress of security. We've seen how centuries of innovation meet cutting-edge technology, all to protect the integrity of a currency that underpins the lives of millions. What was the most surprising detail you discovered about the euro's production? Was it the cotton paper, the multi-layered security features, or perhaps the sheer scale of the operation? Share your thoughts in the comments below. The world of manufacturing is vast and filled with incredible stories, each product a testament to human ingenuity. If you found this journey into the euro printing factory captivating, then you won't want to miss our next exploration. We'll be diving into another fascinating industrial process, uncovering the secrets behind something equally ubiquitous but perhaps even more complex in its creation. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. And for another incredible look behind the scenes, click on the video that just appeared on your screen, where we reveal the hidden world of silk factory process from silkworm cocoon to high-end fabric. Join us as we continue to peel back the layers of the industrial world, one astonishing factory at a time.